늦게 놀다 와.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You're trying to lick her wounds while the tea is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around but will never run your rail. This week has been a nice but I wanna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. You gonna play the wait for a comeback. We only need some time and I promise you that. Promise you that. Promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't fit today, I'm the shoulder you can cry on. So cry, girl. I know sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down is new, and I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street will be smiling at me, 'cause they already know what it's like being in love. The sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can't just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading wings. So every night I stare at the moon, just to check if she's still looking blue. Don't know who you are yet, you seem a bit hard to get, but I know you're out there. I just wait for the day where the sky will spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open